Hey guys, sorry I ran out of time on my recording. So, just to finish up here so that we finish the example, we're doing the electron configuration of carbon. So, remember, carbon is 2p because it's in the second period and it's p block. It's the second element, so it would be 2p2, all right? And we know to write the entire configuration, we have to start at hydrogen and we have to go through all the configurations before it until we get to that element. So since we're doing carbon, if we start at hydrogen, 1s2, because we go through the two elements in the first s block, 2s2, because we go through the two elements in the 2s block, and then 2p2 would be our final resting place. So the final part of the code, or the electron configuration, will be the configuration for the element, which we've determined first, so 2p2. So we always want to end with whatever the element is. So your final configuration would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Again, because we went through both the elements of the first S row, both the elements of the second S, and then two elements in the 2p. So that's where it comes from. So the first number is the period, except unless there's transition metals, because remember, 3D is actually in the fourth period. So when you're doing transitions, we just got to be cognizant of that. So first number is the period. Second number is the block the element is in. And then the third number is the position. And if you're going through all of the elements in a row or in a block, so like we went through all in the first one, all in the second one, this number right here is just going to be the maximum number of electrons. So remember, in the S blocks, the max is 2. So it's 1s2, 2s2, and then 2p2. Okay, we'll do some more examples together in class when we do Zoom. But of course, if this is a little bit confusing, which is understandable, this is probably the trickiest thing we've done to date, please just let me know. I will be more than happy to work examples with you until we get it right. All right, so that's all for today, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.